extremely
What do you guys
slow.
want?
We did like
Actually, no, yeah, we did drag race.
17
Can you guess
seconds.
who won?
Wait, did you race against him? Alex won by like a tenth of a second.
It doesn't matter.
But
if
I-
or a mile, bro.
I think it's going to get the
Winning
proper diff in it
is
now, so it's going to
winning.
be even more preppy off the line.
Yeah.
Apparently has like a different differential in it for some reason.
Yeah, it's called and it's pretty bad. Are you recording?
Yeah. Dakota and Angelica, you guys want to stand over the...
Hello there, neighbor.
Howdy.
You guys might be wondering what we're doing here with the E30. So here is really what's going on. In all honesty, the E30 is still alive. It's here. In case you guys didn't remember, last time you saw it, I whooped Dakota's ass at the drag strip, and I'm never gonna let it go. However, we have not touched it in a hot minute, and unfortunately, we have like what's called, what is it called? A job, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
That we
Yeah, we have a job. So we can't actually work on this as much as we want to. So we decided what better way to hand it over to a group of professionals that have never finished an actual car in their entire life. Branded Title. And here they are.
Hey guys.
We are going to be working with Branded Title over the next 4 episodes to help us out on getting some things fixed. Is that right?
Yes.
What are
make
we
it drivable again.
Yeah, what are we fixing, Joe?
Change out the suspension a little bit.
Oh.
We got a nice little air system we're going to be installing.
Oh.
We got some custom wheels that we're going to be throwing on.
One off.
Custom.
One off.
One of one,
Custom.
baby.
One of one wheels. We got some interior bits. So the interior has like door handles and things, you know, so you don't have to pull the little.
Oh, yeah,
You
that's
had to
right.
pull the little.
Gotta get like the yeah.
That's how you open the
that
door.
makes sense.
Yep. So we're gonna get that fixed. New differential because this one sounds like it's about to like blow up.
It's a little clunky, isn't it?
Yeah.
And like, I'm assuming that we're going for a little bit of weight reduction, right?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Yeah, so like, do we need any of this? Like, what is this? We don't need that, and I don't want it anymore. We're done with it. Okay, stop putting
We
the
probably
remote
need
back
that.
in there. We're probably gonna need that. Do they not pay you to have heat in this building, or what? Like, you guys aren't even good enough to the heat? Jeez Louise, bro.
We haven't fixed anything yet. We haven't.
John, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? Branded Title, Mr. Mechanic. What are you doing with your hands? What is that?
I'm awkward. I don't know how to do it.
Just put them down. Okay, so what are you doing? What are you gonna do?
The stuff that you just said.
You're gonna work on it?
I'm gonna work on it.
I have high confidence.
We're gonna make it drivable.
Okay.
That's what
And?
we're gonna do. That's the main goal.
Are you gonna make it fast?
I don't believe so. Well, we're doing the diff. The diff's all messed up. Because what I
There is so much wrong with this car that we don't even know what's wrong with the car. So as you dive in,
there's more.
maybe. Did you? I mean, you noticed that it looks really good standing still.
You
but
drove the car, right?
Have you driven
No,
it?
never.
Oh, you should.
Oh.
Before you do anything, you should go whip it around the block real
Yeah,
quick.
go
and-
give her a quick 2-3
you would like
turns
to-
there, bud, and
Okay,
see what
so,
happens.
So this is why I'm not on the same page right now.
Yeah.
Got it.
Uh-huh. But it looks really good.
It looks super good.
Yeah.
So we need to.
We got these. This is a...
Oh, now your hand's full of Garbo. Got you.
Thank you.
Like we were at the drag strip and we were driving and and I was like man spreading the whole time and like get out of the car. I'm like, what the is like all over my pants and it's just like
The insides.
the side of the car is just like all over me. Oh yeah, turn the key. Oh, the windshield wipers work.
At least the battery's still good.
Battery's so good. Are you good?
Can you pop the hood so that I can just do the most exciting part of owning a car like this? If we still have the button.
Yep.
Down to the left.
Mm-hmm. No, too far.
Yep.
There you go.
Don't feel it.
Up there.
Hey!
There you go. Wham! Boom!
Best part of the whole car.
92 horsepower, or thereabouts, give or take.
It is a full swap kit. Sitting right there.
I know. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do. It's just.
I am. Do
It needs something. That's 97 crank horsepower
Yeah.
and what, 88?
Yeah. But it looks good. Look at how good it looks.
We got this.
And technically, it is running better than 1, 2, 3.
Hey now,
75% of the vehicles that you have in the shop right now.
those do run.
And drive.
So 25%. Well, does this drive?
Yeah.
Barely.
It won't make it down that street, I will tell you that.
Good.
That exhaust sounds great.
Like, it just,
God.
the whole thing is a unit. Yeah, I would say that this is going to be an area of opportunity for improvement.
I feel like that's not even. Well, I thought it was going to be easy, and now I'm a little worried.
The budget is $42, and you have 6 days.
Yeah,
It's actually not too far from the truth.
If I am allowed a
0.1
small
bar.
budget, I can whip something up for cheap.
I am telling you that in terms of officially, you must stay on budget, and you must only buy the parts associated with the build. However, if something comes along and you find it for a relatively good price, just let us know.
I will do that.
Not just letting everybody know. Just saying, like if there's an opportunity, I'm just, you know, just put a slap of stuff.
So I got some tricks up these sleeves, bud.
You excited?
Sort of. Wow.
I do that all the time.
Was that a beard for the gram?
Oh, absolutely.
Sweet.
They're cheap enough to just get a rebuilt unit versus repairing it yourself.
Sure.
That's the way to go with
Yeah,
that.
did you say like a rebuild kit was more expensive than the freaking like new one?
Pretty much.
Wow, it's brown underneath. Oh yeah, Corey painted it.
The subframe, yeah.
Yeah, spray painted it. You can tell.
So I don't think this is going sideways on not snow.
I think it can go sideways if you had more of a winning attitude.
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow.
Called out.
I need that winning budget. Sweet. So get the stock wheels on here. Make it a little easier to move around, a little easier to drive, a little easier to diagnose everything else that's wrong with this. And then we'll move right into the suspension. A little magic dust in there, see what we can come up with. Get her driving real good, and then we're gonna hit that diff. And this should be good to drive, full kind of stage 0, get her going. Then we'll kind of move around from there. Just doing this awkward hand thing.
So, with that being said, we're passing the E30 along to brand title. We will be involved, and when everything goes well, we're going to take joint credit, and when everything goes poorly, it's your fault. So, is there anything else you want to add to that, Dakota? or
No,
is that-
that's about it. Just try to save her. Try to.
Yeah.
Do your best.
And if you guys haven't subscribed to Branded Title Co. yet, be sure to do so. And if you're on Branded Title, you probably are subscribed to Film and Interest, but if you're not, do that too. And of course, be sure to have fun. Drop some comments, get some engagement going. I don't know, ask if you guys want us to change something on the car, let us know.
Tell
Because after
us.
all, this is your car. This isn't even our car. We just asked for a bunch of money from Sean, and then he says yes. So then we ask you guys what you want, and here we are. That's how. He doesn't say yes, but that we do it anyway. So
Right.
right. All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Godspeed. I wish you the best.
What time?